Hello everybody! Today I want to tell you about how to control Samsung Smart TV with our remote. Now pay attention, it's so easy and really fast. You just need to find one app in your mobile. I find different options for you, okay? Example, remote for Hisense TV, okay? 6 positive reviews, or universal remote example this with 5,000 reviews, or this with 2,000 reviews. Okay, I have this because I have LG TV, but it's the same, doesn't matter if you have Sisense. Now open your app, connect with the same Wi-Fi, and now let me show you example how can I get more volume here. Okay, can you see that? More volume or less volume, or example I can open different apps. Okay, in this time example, let me show you how can I open my Netflix. And now this is what I open my Netflix with my mobile. It's so easy and really fast. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and this is all. It's so easy. Have a good day and see you later.